Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress, org to create a website. First, understand that WordPress. Org is the free, open-source software you install on your own web hosting. This gives you complete control over your site, unlike the more limited WordPress. Com will cover the essential first steps, from choosing a domain name to selecting a reliable hosting provider. This easy method will get your site up and running quickly. Once you've chosen a domain name, the next crucial step is selecting a web host. Many providers offer specialized WordPress hosting, making the process smoother. After signing up, you'll typically find a one-click WordPress installation option in your hosting control panel. This automates the setup, installing the core WordPress files onto your server in just a few minutes. It's a straightforward process, even for beginners. With WordPress installed, it's time to make your site look great. Start by selecting a theme, which controls your site's design. There are thousands of free and premium themes available, offering diverse styles. You can then customize elements like colors, fonts, and your site's logo through the WordPress customizer. Begin adding your content by creating pages and posts, making your website truly yours. To truly unlock WordPress's power, you'll want to install plugins. These are small software additions that provide extra features, from contact forms to advanced SEO tools. Essential plugins can boost your site's security, improve its speed, and help it rank better in search results. Remember to regularly update your themes and plugins for optimal performance and security. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals to help you build your best life and website.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.